ప్రస్తుతం నారాయణ విద్యా సంస్థల డైరెక్టర్ మీడియాతో మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
But this time it went on to be 42 questions in numericals. So a lot of calculations involved, lot of complications involved. Still, the student stood very strong and has achieved it. This goes on to show the testimonials that kids usually write on every feedback online that you go through, or the testimonials we get from parents and teachers also. For mathematics, it's always Narayana. So I think we kept up with our own name by achieving this result. Followed by Rajesh, 6th ranker. Akshat Kumar, 6th ranker from Rajasthan. 7th ranker from Bombay again, Sahil, who is present here. Congratulations. And 10th ranker in open category from Vijayawada, Lokesh. Super, congratulations. And it's not only in the top 10 ranks. Following this, we have below 50 All India Open category, 23 ranks. So below 10, 50% of the result is ours. Below 10, 50% of the results in open category is ours. At the same time, even below 50, almost 50% of the result is ours. That is 23 ranks. Followed by below 100 open category, 43 ranks. That is 43% of the result is once again ours. And followed by below 1,200 ranks. I am pretty sure, although I have not verified, perhaps no other organization, not only from Telugu states or from anywhere, would have bagged this kind of open category ranks. 200 below 1,000 is 20% of the top 1,000 ranks in the country. This is a huge achievement. A big round of applause to our teachers and deans for this amazing input and for bringing out such amazing, creating these diamonds out of all these students. And also I have to give you one more highlight of this year's results. As per the information that we have received so far, in top 100, in girls, there are only 4 girls who have got open category ranks in top 100. Out of those 4, 2 are from Narayana itself. Fortunately, both of them are here with us. 29th ranker Piyusha Das. I have seen her. Can you come forward, please? Congratulations. So Piyusha Das is also a Punjab topper. Superb. We are super proud of you. Also, we have 76th ranker Cheryl. She is also Chandigarh topper. May I see her? Yeah. So both of them, as I said, out of 4 girl students who have achieved open category ranks in 100, 2 of them are with us. And that's again a testimonial to say it doesn't matter which gender you are, we put in the same level of effort and energy, and we make sure that we give you the best and you turn out to be toppers, not only bag a seat in IIT but also turn out to be real toppers. So congratulations, kudos to you, and congratulations to the parents once again. And it's not just in the top level. Even if we take in the number of selections, from the data we received so far, it looks like more than 15% of students will be selected as compared to last year. 15% is not a joke to show the growth in just 1 year, but that we are going to show. The data is still being pulled, so once it's consolidated, we will be able to give you the entire data. In addition to that, if we take all category ranks, below 10 we have 10, below 50 we have 42, below 100 we have 75, and below 1,000 we have 424. And that having said, I don't think I want to repeat what all we do and what all we have been doing for the last 46 years in order to ensure that we keep up with the dreams of parents, students, and also ensure that our teachers and our faculty are always well trained so that they look forward to giving students their level best. So in addition to that, as you are all aware, we have launched our digital platforms almost a decade ago now, and on as part of the digital initiation, we have NLearn and NConnect, through which we offer not only online classes, but also doubt clarification sessions, which is now powered by AI for more precision and speed. And we also offer them mock tests by letting students navigate through a UI which is almost similar to the real JEE Advanced or even NEET exams if they are taking them, which helps them a lot while they go and attempt the final exam, and they attempt the final exam without fear. And similarly, the doubt clarification sessions not only come from students asking the teachers alone, teachers also go through the way the student has attempted the question through the digital platform, like where the student has taken a pause, where the student has skipped or gone too fast, and then come back and address it. So by that kind of meticulous planning for years together, either from schooling level or college level, this kind of results are possible in every exam or every challenge we take up in general. So kudos again to everybody, the entire Narayana team, for such amazing show. As I said, this is like an IPL challenge where it's the mentors, the strategists at the very top, and the coaches, and of course the players, everyone, and of course the audience, everyone put together, we achieved this together. And before I end my speech, I would also like to tell you that NSAT is an exam that we conduct for all students starting from younger sections also, that is 6th grade also. This is an exam that we offer in order to help out the students who are probably even at a rural level who may not have much awareness about programs like Narayana. They can attempt this test, and through that we will get to know where you are, so that we can not only offer you a seat in the right program, but also offer you the scholarship that we think is appropriate and take you in. So NSAT exam is open. Please watch out for our more details on our website, and please make use of the facility. And congratulations to the stars once again, and all the very best.
Thank you so much, Indira ma'am. I now request Shani ma'am to share her thoughts, please.
Hello. A very good evening to all the parents. Oh, hello. A very good evening and a warm welcome to the press meet. JEE advanced results are out today, and we couldn't be more happier because the entire Narayana group, we wait for this day because we are sure that students have put in their maximum effort. Students have cracked the JEE advanced paper irrespective of the toughness, and today we are here celebrating it with the parents, with the media, with the entire Narayana family, and most importantly, students. So can we have a huge round of applause to all the students? I'm super excited to say that in top 10, we have 5 ranks in open category. 3rd rank, 4th rank, 6th rank, 7th rank, and 10th rank. At the same time, if you talk about category ranks in top 10, we have 10. Top 100 open category, we have 43. And category, we have 75. Top 1000, we have 200. And category, we have 424. JEE advanced paper, we all know it was very tough. It was very lengthy, especially when compared to last year. Irrespective of the toughness, irrespective of how lengthy the paper was, Narayana students did amazing. It's not only in top 10, top 100, top 1000, but in all categories, I'm sure Narayana Group is the only educational institution who has produced this amazing results. So congratulations once again to all the students. It's such a proud moment today. Generally, in any IIT advanced paper, there will be 18 numericals. Paper 1, paper 2. If you add it up, there will only be 18 numericals. But this year, JEE IIT advanced paper had 42 numericals. And in such a short time, numericals were more, and definitely it took a lot of stress and it took a lot of pressure on students to crack the IIT paper. But irrespective of what it is, It's all about focus, it's all about dedication, it's all about the techniques we use in the Narayana group that give us such amazing results. And if I talk about how we produce these results, it's mainly our micro schedule, it's mainly our micro error analysis. Because after every examination, there is an environment, a proper hand holding created from the teacher's point of view to the student. So once the examination is done, an error analysis is generated, and the student and the teacher sit together, they identify the errors, and once you identify the error, for the next couple of examinations, when that common error rectification is done, I'm sure student will excel in all the subjects. And competitive examination, there is a lot of stress. It's not about what you prepare throughout the year, but it's all about those 6 hours, what you write. And I'm sure there is a lot of focus to all these students here. There's a lot of focus, and that's why we have such amazing results. And if I also talk about Narayana schools, from 6th grade only, we start IIT and we start NEET. We have Narayana eTechno program, Narayana CO program, and we have come up with Narayana Future Edge program also this year. The main purpose of coming up with different number of programs is, we as a Narayana group are known for all India competitive examinations, but at the same time, we want to give that holistic approach to the child. I'm sure there are a lot of initiatives that are being taken in the education field. So we want to make sure, with the help of AI, with the help of digital classrooms, with the help of smart rooms, with the help of Lego walls and n number of initiatives, we want to be there for the child. We want to shape the child not only in academics, but we want to see the child as a One most important factor is common analysis. Once the examination is over, we have a research and development team who make sure we are up to the mark, we are there, we identify the trends in the education industry, we identify the changes in the educational market, and we anticipate them, and we are much ahead. And that's why if you compare Narayana internal and external analysis, it is hardly 5 to 10% variation. If I compare the Narayana internal marks versus the external, every year, whether it's board examinations, whether it's NEET, whether it's n number of competitive examinations, we are right here. We are here addressing the press, we are here addressing the parents and students, and it's such a beautiful moment. So I would like to thank the students, and more than students, the parents, because parents have been a huge, huge support. And we also have Disha. Disha is more like counseling. We identify the students, especially at this point of time, right before the competitive examinations start. Students have a lot of stress, and definitely they need a lot of moral support. They need a lot of hand holding. So we make sure through a team called Disha, there are n number of counselors in this group. So we counsel the students, we make sure we create a safe environment, we create a positive hand-holding environment, and today our results speak. And during these 2 years, we nearly conduct about 240 examinations. Weekly, there are 2 examinations. And if a child writes weekly 2 examinations and 240 examinations as a whole, I'm sure by the time the child goes into a new external environment, the child has already made up their mind, and it's easier for the child to build that trust with himself. And that's why today I can proudly say that with the help of weekly tests, with the help of grand test, with the help of cumulative tests, with all these tests, we take the child through a journey. We take the child to a journey of discovering themselves, and today we're extremely proud of our results. And I'm sure the NEET results, which are going to be released very, very soon in June, we will get extraordinary results, and we'll come here again with a different batch of students, with a different batch of parents, and the entire Narayana family. So thank you so much, and a huge congratulations to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sharni ma'am, for your kind words. Now it's time to hear from the stars of the day, the rank holders themselves, as they share their journey and experiences with us. Starting with Parth. Parth, can we please have you here?